write this letter. My heart's beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. Why did we have to part, darling? I reassure those parts I've been storing up in my mind. When I get on, what will I find? Baby, will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you too long. So it's been so long since I've